everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Aparna Kern, and this is me Aparna. So if you're watching me for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Just press the red button and the bell icon just behind it so that next time I upload a video you don't get missed out. So I upload video every once in a week, so I hope you will have a lot of fun, so please don't forget to subscribe. Now let's come to the top point. Now this video is a review video which I want to review, and this is the video which just make my hair so soft, so smooth, so long. It is not it does not help in control, I'm sorry for my hairs, it does not control the hair fall which it claimed, but oh, I forgot, let me show you the product first. So these are the Himalayas range. I picked out the protein hair care one. As you can see, this is the protein hair care one, and this is the Himalaya anti-dandruff shampoo. So these are like interrelated. You can use there, I think there are three variant. One is the anti-dandruff one is the protein one, and the third one I don't get remember. It's something like for what you can say, like oily hair type one. So I think there are three variant, I'm sure there are three variant, but I'm not sure about the third name. So if I'll get to know, I'll link it in the description box below. So let's first open this product. So as you can see how much I have used it, I have used half of the tub. So much I love this one, and I love this stuff. It come in a tub sort of packaging, which is very convenient for using. And this contain chicky, pia and amla, which is very helpful for growing your hairs, and it promote hair growth. And I like the ingredient first of all, and I like the packaging as well, but it's sort of unhygienic packaging because you have taken some amount, you have applied in your hairs, and then you're putting your fingers back in the tub, so it's unhygienic. But you get a lot of quantity in this tub sort of packaging. So I have it's cost around, yeah, it's cost 80 rupees for 100 ml of packaging, and this is a huge jar for 80 rupees. Now let's go inside. It has a in what you can say, it has a partition between the product and the packaging so that you can mess out, or the tub cannot be dirty, and it does not come and spill off in the cap. So I like that thought. Then when you open this, there is the actual product. It is white, and it's smell like those 90s Pond's cold cream sort of. Yeah, it smell like that. So it smell reminding me of my childhood. If you are 90s kids, then I hope you know what the old Pond's cold cream was used to smell. It smell like that, the same feeling. So if you see, I've taken, this is very thick consistency. I hope ऐसा मुंह क्यों बना रही है? So if you see, it's sort of very thick consistency, and yeah, it's very creamy, buttery, but it's thick. So if you're having oily hairs, or if you're having oily scalp, I recommend it to don't use it as a leave-on conditioner, because it will be very heavy on your skin, on your hairs. And if you want to use it as a spa, then you can, yeah, just forget, just don't look at my hand, because I have not, right now I'm not having wet wipes that I can clear this out. But yeah, so if you see, I have applied it today, and then I wash it off with this anti dandruff shampoo. And this is really a good shampoo. If you're having dandruff, it will really control it. So, and it smells amazing, and it's for your dandruff and soothing the scalp. It contains tea tree and aloe vera, and as you know, I am a big fan of tea tree and aloe vera. If anything says tea tree aloe vera, just let me get that. It's close to my heart, that much I love these two ingredients. So that's why by seeing these two ingredients only, I have picked this up. And this is how much it cost. It's 130 of 200 ml. Yes, it's a one. You can't see from there, but yeah, trust me, it's a 130 of 200 ml. And this is how the packaging look like. This is the medium size. We'll get the bigger one also, but just for trying I purchased this medium size, but I'm liking it, so I will go for the bigger one also. So now let's go with our demonstration. This is my first ever demonstration on the YouTube. I'm so excited for it. So for demonstrating, let me open my clip. And as you can see, it's my hair is very oily from above, because it's the third day of my hair and I haven't washed it. So yeah, if you know how to apply this, then just make your hair parted backward and just separate your hair from the side. Then take small amount, rub it between your palm, and then just apply it like a massaging cream. So that is the way. And then just go section by section. Take another small amount, rub it between your hands, and then just massage it. It's a very calming and it's giving me very cooling sensation, which I personally like on my hair products. So it is giving me kind of cooling sensation and it smells amazing. Really, it made me feel like I'm doing some sort of spa, which I love it. And then just go backward, massage it, and go partition by partition. It will help, and then massage it very nicely. Now we come to the ends after massaging it. As you can see, my ends are quite dry and it's rough, so I'll take some wand, rub it between my palm. This time I'll rub between, not my palm, it's like rub it between my fingers, my palm. It's like rubbing nicely. Then I will just apply it on my ends very nicely. Just massaging it. I'm not squeezing my hair, I'm just giving it the downward stroke, because this, if you will do your hair like this, it will promote split ends. So always make sure that whatever you apply, especially in the ends of your hair, just go in the downward stroke. And then I'll take my hair in a bun, a very generous sort of bun. Secured it with any sort of hair ties, clutches, whatever you have. So, yeah, and I'll leave this for around 1 to 2, minimum to 1 to 2 hours. And if you wanted to get it more absorbed, then wait for 4 to 5 hours and let it get absorbed, and just let it quench the thirst of your scalp, because your scalp also need hydration just like your skin need. So wait for few hours, and then I'll wash it off and let you know how it's look. So please continue till on watching. So now you can see, as I have washed my hair, and it's feeling so soft and so nice and so squeezy, bouncy. So I really like these two products, and if you're looking for an affordable product which make your hair silky, soft, bouncy, this is just to go for, because I totally love the result. It make my hair so gorgeous. It's smelling like heaven, and it make my hair so shiny. As you can see, there are lots of shine, and I really, overall I like this one. I'll give it double thumbs up. So if you are interested in checking these out, please go to your nearest store and check these out. These are totally love. So yeah, I like the result. So till then, keep on watching. Bye bye.